no New Year's Day to celebrate, no chocolate covered candy hard to give away, no fears of spring, no song to sing. In fact, it's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday with him of you. Hello guys, this is a beautiful song. This song is called I Just Called to Say I Love You. The singer for this song is Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder has a special condition. He is a blind man. But this it doesn't matter, he can be a great singer. As you can listen in this song is so beautiful. In this song, he trying to explain his love from a woman, but he make a comparison between his feeling with the different situation or thing which can pass in the different season of the year. For example, he talk about the chocolate to get away, the April rain, the celebrate the new Year's Day, no song to sing, and something like that. But in this song, he say that, and he want to express that to that woman, but he want to do it using the call. Okay, continues, guys. Listen the song. But what it is, the something true, made out of these three words that I must say to you. Here we go. I just call to say I love you. I just call to say how much I care. I just call to say I love you, and I'm in the front of bottom of my heart. No words right, no words you lie, no harvest month to like to take the August night. Okay, guys. As I say, you can listen that he talk about the different months in the year. He talk about the word July, the tender August night. This is for all of the song. He expressed his love, his feeling to that woman through the call. I think it's a beautiful song. Is special, is right. It's a good idea to give this song maybe to wife, maybe to girlfriends or something like that. Okay, let's continue with the final part of the song. No, don't breathe, no falling leaves, no even time for birds to fly the soaring sky. No the sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what is strong, also new. To feel your heart like nothing was could ever do. I just call to say I love you. I just call to say how much I care. I just call to say I love you, and I mean from the bottom of my heart. Okay, guys, I would like you can listen in other part or maybe in other occasion this song because it's so beautiful. I hope you can enjoy it. Okay, that's all. That was the idea for this activity in the course Advanced English 2. I hope you can see this video, and thank you teacher for all. Thank you guys for your participation in this course, and see you in the next course. Have a good day, teacher. Thank you for all. Thank you so much.